happened?
I wasn't recording any sound the whole time. Oops. Well, hey, we got sound now. Yes. Oh, Jesus.
Was anybody on this?
No.
Like,
No, I'm not streaming. I'm just recording it locally.
But that's the beginning of it.
Oh man, come on. What's wrong? My connection, my internet should be rock solid right now. What the fuck?
Can you exit out and try again?
I'd like to. Guess we can play this game.
Jump.
How do you jump?
Why, pressing the A button, probably.
I'm pressing buttons.
You pressing and holding it?
Control up leap.
Wait, it didn't even fucking allow me to move.
It should tell you what buttons to press.
It doesn't. I'm pressing all the buttons in the world. Oh.
All except for that one, right?
Oh, you got a hold.
Didn't do anything though.
There we go. I'm jumping out. Apparently, there's a mini game on this that you can play while you're waiting to get matched up.
There's a bunch of them you can unlock.
Nice.
I think some of them you
Is
have
that a
to...
blooper? It is a blooper.
It looks like one, yeah.
It's a blooper.
As a matter of fact, they make an appearance in the game.
Really?
Yeah, them and Octoroks from Zelda. They're like graffiti artwork on the stages.
Nice.
Just hopping. Wish I could show you the game I'm playing. It's like a simple NES game.
You just have to jump up on this ledge.
You gotta try to get. Oh, got to the goal. Yeah. Charge up. Just simply press the R button.
I never made it to go because I'm usually right to another match.
Wish I could back out.
So you can't even back out? Well, just turn. Can you just turn the Wii off and back on?
I might just have
again?
to. I might just have to turn it off. We don't match up in a minute. Saying, hey man, fuck you guys. No
You
game.
gotta press the...
It's gotta be. I mean.
You gotta press the home button.
They won't
There
even let
it
me
is.
press
I
it.
wouldn't even let you do it.
Since I beat the stage. There we go. Almost to the goal. Oh, yeah. God. Whatever the fuck that is. Okay, move. Oh, it tells you right there's the R to jump. Got it. Okay,
I wish I remember to get that.
Yeah, I'll get you a napkin. Hey, what happened?
I turned it off the
you
system.
turned
Way to go, Splatoon! Way to go! Yo,
Found the first spot.
if I get banned from even playing, we'll be upset. Okay, cool. Please turn off. 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 Please. And you're off. Yay. Alright, time to go to a blank slate. It's probably not so blank. Yeah, it's not blank. That's one of my copies there.
Is this Grown-Ups 2 with video games?
Oh, Pixels? Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, is that out yet?
No, not yet. It comes out, I think, next month.
Oh.
Or July.
I don't know. It looks like an interesting. I don't know.
It's full of lies.
I'm thinking it's gonna be stupid, but.
I mean, it could be fun. I mean, I think that the new trailer actually is okay. The last trailer I wasn't too impressed with this one. I like the fact that Q*bert's involved.
It was
I think
like
that's cool.
the whole city's being rolled over by Pac-Man or some weird thing. It was like weird.
Hell, they
That's a
got...
bad guy.
Huh?
Pac-Man is a bad guy.
Pac-Man's the bad guy? I think Adam Sandler's character is the one that has the world record for Pac-Man. And then Peter Dinklage's character is the one that has the world record for Donkey Kong. And Centipede is Josh Gad's character.
Did they do a documentary on the guy that, like...
Oh, the King of Kong, I'm sure, was a huge
Was it the
influence
King
for
of
this
Kong?
movie. Yeah, with
The
Billy Mitchell.
one that like broke Pac-Man because he got such a high score, like he got a bug in it or something.
I know.
Was it the King? I don't think it was the King.
I know King of Kong had some bug in the game. It has a kill screen that if you get like far enough in the game, it actually locks up. So you have to get as many points as you can getting up to the kill screen.
Was that was for Pac-Man or for?
That was for Donkey Kong.
Yeah, I know. Like Pac-Man, I remember it. Like somebody.
I'm mind fucked right now. What is going on? Okay. Yo, I gotta get to the. Is it not seeing the Wi-Fi? What's happening? This is ridiculous. You're making me look chump right now, Wade. Come on.
Oh, by the way, Adam, I'm sorry, I forgot to bring the comics. The free comics.
Oh, the free
The
comics.
JoJo, it
Oh,
was
that's okay.
JoJo, I managed to get 2 JoJos, 1 Street Fighter. The Street Fighter's actually pretty cool, there's a lot of artwork in that. And
Oh,
then,
nice.
yeah, those like the 2 that seem like you guys pretty much, but yeah. I was only able to get like 1 of the Street Fighters, because like that was gone like within like the first, yeah.
Well, thank you for getting that for me. I appreciate it.
Well, next time I'm down here, whenever that'll be, next year or something,
You come up here for like conventions and stuff like that to sell your books, right?
yeah, I'm not gonna come down this year though.
Oh damn.
Yeah, well they like totally raised the price now. It's like $300 for a freaking table and like yeah.
Wow.
It used to be like 120 now. Yeah.
They don't fool themselves.
And then plus, I didn't really I mean, it was okay for what it was, but I think it was mainly geared towards like young adult and middle grade people, not so much like the stuff I'm writing. So.
What would you your stuff isn't young adult? It's actually
It is, but it's a little older than young adult, I guess. I mean, I don't know. I guess I always say Harry Potter age, which I guess is really young adult, but it's.
Yeah, 9-year-olds read Harry Potter.
I've been recently writing romance now, so.
Romance? Oh shit! You gonna be the next Nicholas Sparks? Let's go! Let's go! Oh my god!
I'm writing. Well, I wrote an urban what do they call it? Street lit romance.
Oh wow! So it's not none of that notebook stuff.
No, it's not 50 Shades. It's not 50 Shades.
Oh, not 50 Shades. Oh, that belongs in the garbage bin.
I did read the book because I had to see what all the hype was, and I'm like,
oh wow.
This is nothing. This is Sesame Street.
What you saw was doo-doo on the page is what you found.
It's Sesame Street. I'm like, yeah, okay. This is what everybody's been fawning over.
It's Swarvage.
Yeah.
It's so fucking horrible. If I can get this game to load, I'm gonna pass this controller to you, and then you can try this out.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
Perfect game.
Yeah.
Connected to the internet. Please let us in. What is going on, Nintendo?
I think their
Overloaded?
stress test is
IP config.
It's fucking failing.
IP config.
I thought I got disconnected from my Wi-Fi, so I thought I'd reconnect just to be on the safe side. Get a new IP while I'm
Well,
on it.
you can go on different pages, right? And the pages load up fine.
Well, it usually will tell me if I'm disconnected from the Wi-Fi if I'm trying to connect to the internet, but it gave me that error message, and it's like, this is some bullshit. Come on, man. Christ. Yo, why am I getting booted? What, was it only for like 10 minutes? Come on! I played one game!
Look it up and see, maybe.
I'll go to Twitter.
Yeah, see
They
what's
gotta be
going
talking
on.
about it. It's probably trending right now. Oh my, let's see.
what the fuck?
What?
Pokemon little blazing.
Eevee! It's awesome, Eevee.
What the fuck? Yo, Poke Shop on?
I want a shiny Eevee.
My wife has an EV shirt called the Avengers, and it's all the EVs,
All the EVs?
looking like the Avengers.
That's awesome.
Let's see, live. Can anyone connect to the Splatoon service? No.
Yep.
There were network issues I was looking for. I was worried we wouldn't have those. Oh, look at his avatar.
That's awesome.
This guy.
Please
Global test
understand.
disconnect.
Oh.
Global test disconnect. Les servers sont morts and fail. Hey man, I can
Please.
understand that.
Please understand.
Please understand.
Splatoon Global Testfire seems to be experiencing issues. Seems.
I keep trying to get on. Yes. Yo, Nintendo man, tighten this up. We waited all afternoon for this. I didn't think we'd get to play.
What else are they saying?
Some old bullshit.
Is everyone watching Eurovision?
Hey, you
Nearly
must-
no one's switching.
No one. So you just
Just
give up
give
on
us
Splatoon? Yo,
Splatoon.
1 minute ago. Oh shit.
So Splatoon Global Testfire and indicated no one will be
Oh,
able to play the
man.
online when it comes out.
For however long this is down, they better give us. They better make up the time.
Shit,
This
you
is like-
think they would do that, right?
Nope.
Not gonna happen.
Nah, son.
Wow.
It's all part of the stress test. This is what you get.
Did we just break the Splatoon servers, got into one game, and now can't connect?
Yeah,
Internet
that's
fine.
exactly what happened.
Yeah, internet fine on my end.
Wow. Yeah, internet's not on my end too. Double check it. No, this is the the Splatoon global misfire.
Paint the town red, or paint Splatoon servers dead.
Oh, man, look at that shit. It's almost something. There you go. See that back. That's too fucking funny.
Servers die. People seem to be having trouble entering battles. I got 2 matches in and now nothing.
Shit, they got to play 2 matches? Good God.
Right?
Connecting to internet, connecting to failure.
About Splatoon extension, they won't. Knowing Nintendo, they won't allow extended
Yeah, you guys
demo
want
time.
something else from the cooler? Because I'm going to get something from
No,
the
I'm good. I got my drink right here. My drinkity drink, man. Alright, trying. I'm going to just keep trying
Splatoon is
until we
having
get
major
connected.
connection problems. Everyone is having a hard time trying to play matches. I got 1 match. I'll have you know, Splatoon is more important than Eurovision. Shout out to the Splatoon for
Mini game idea.
That's cool. I guess that was their plan all along.
I was playing. And then it's like, the server has reached connection limit and cannot accept any more connections at this time. Please try again later. Why is there a limit, first off?
That's
Like, we all got the demo so we could play. And you only made 1 time this weekend where we can actually play. So everybody and their mother's going to try to play this time and bum rush the fucking stage.
It's Memorial Day weekend.
Yeah, it's Memorial Day weekend,
yeah,
so we got
Memorial Day
mad people there.
80 new results. Let's see what they say.
Can you tell me that this ain't going to happen? Oh, this is some bull stuff. Person with his children around. I'm sorry, kid. I'm sorry, Skylar.
Rest in peace, Splatoon 2015.
Yo, this better not happen next week when the game comes out
When am I going
on
to join a
fucking
match?
effing Friday.
Nintendo of America, are you aware there's Splatoon Testfire issues? Splatoon, where are you fuckers?
The disappointment. They're probably streaming right now on YouTube. They streamed the last Testfire.
What is Nintendo America saying? Or they're probably not saying.
They stay mum until like months later, and then they put out a test release. Let me see.
2 hours.
I know exactly where to go.
They'll respond with, please understand.
Oh shit, we back! We back! Oh shit, alright. Go ahead and feel free to pick your character.
Oh, okay. I can actually, like... Okay. So, I'll pick the girl. I want to make sure that I don't, like, choose the wrong button that'll actually, like, exit this thing, because...
It's A every time.
A every time.
They fuck you up because on other systems A is in a different place, so...
Okay.
It's the Nintendo A.
The Nintendo A, okay.
Alright, if you want to skip the demo, we'll walk you through playing it. And you can just skip all this. Okay, press start. Because you're going to want to change this fucking way the game plays. Go to exit.
Okay, are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What's your pointers? You want to shoot as the R trigger. Now, you can make your choice here. Splattershot Jr., I'm not sure.
I want the roller, because that
You want the roller? Sure, it's easy to play with the roller. It's a good way to get into the game, too. You're not worried about shooting.
Join?
You go ahead and join. Oh, shit! Fuck!
What?
I totally forgot to have you change the controls. Alright.
Wait, we can't change controls.
You'll be fine. It's motion. You'll have to, like...
Oh, I gotta do this?
Yeah,
Okay.
that kind of sucks, but...
That's fine.
We'll change it.
Ooh, I
We
can play
all
my-
hated that motion shit the first day we played. I was like, this is not gonna work.
I'm playing the blooper game.
Oh yeah, the art
He
trigger
looks like a
one.
Goomba when he comes
When he
down.
smushes himself.
Yeah, it's a Goomba. He turns into a Goomba when he jumps.
Let's see what they're saying on Twitter. The results.
Yeah, looks like they're still having trouble.
No! Maybe I should just do the tutorial. Because I think they're gonna keep doing this.
Damn, you might be right.
I probably should do the tutorial.
Okay, I'll tell you what, we'll turn it off. Turn it back on.
No!
Oh, my bad. My bad.
Well, no, I was saying, like...
You won't be able to do the tutorial unless we go back to the beginning,
Well, I mean, just... Okay.
which is fine. They get them time to sort out the servers. But man, the Wii U takes a while to fucking shut off with this game and play.
I can't quit. I can't kid nor squid.
Yeah, I wish it would allow you to back out of the battle matching up at least when you run into this problem. That's lobby music. 40. Yeah, it's less Splatoon than I am better. You to make a whole day to play your demo and test your servers. This was doomed from the start.
Seriously. Why in a
Retweet that.
freaking hour? Yeah.
I was like, man, like, you know what?
Makes some sense.
I meant to go to YouTube and then Nintendo of America.
The thing is, they didn't have this problem with the other three.
They really didn't. Like,
Maybe
the last time you played, you jumped right the fuck on. So, I don't know.
This is the fourth time.
It wasn't a holiday weekend though. Who was it? Everybody wasn't home.
Nintendo, where have you?
Is it loading up?
It's not turning off. What the fuck?
Broke it.
Yo, come on. Shut down. Okay, are you done? Are you done? Yes, thank you. Now turn it back on. And Nintendo, where are you? I'll just go right to subscriptions. Scroll down. Page 2, because that's where you're at. Next. Nintendo.
I just saw it come up. There
it goes. And get ready for E3. I'm not ready for shit. You're not streaming this time. That sucks. And just
Is it on
press.
Twitch?
Just press that one right.
Oh, I just pressed Splatoon.
That was the actual full game. It's not ready to play yet. Hang on.
Sorry.
Choose no.
Okay, demo.
And then, yeah, demo, you got it. Oh, you good. You may have to press it one more time. Sometimes it doesn't get on the first try. What the fuck, Nintendo? Let's check their Twitch. Let's see if they're having trouble connecting to their own server, because I'll laugh my ass off. TWTCH TV/ Oh, hey, look at this. We're live. Are we live with the split? Thank you for watching. Oh, shit. When did this happen? Like, when did it start off?
Okay, so I'm going to press...
Yeah. Oh, both triggers. There you go. You got it. Me too.
It's going to do this for a long time again.
It's going to...
Oh, wait, what is it? I like how the site lists something. Oh. And they have no online.
She lists the VDS and online status when they have no online.
Were they streaming?
That's what I want to know.
I've been in the lobby since
check in, past broadcasts. When did they stop? May 9th? Okay, that's the last broadcast they did. Unless they deleted this one immediately. These people are sitting here. That's all over. Oh wow. Yeah, just press OK on the screen. And then just trigger them.
Okay.
Man, I can't believe it. All that food, man.
Yo, Majors must be pissed right now. Let me text him.
In the team lobby, maybe
He said
I
that
might
he wasn't
get in
even
that.
trying it.
Wait, Major said he wasn't even trying it?
Man, not gonna try. Not worth just an hour of gameplay.
How much time do we have left?
Oh, we have a little over 30 minutes. It's 6:27.
Seriously, Nintendo's making some stupid specific from the amiibo crap to this. Like,
It's just
so foolish.
they're just shooting themselves in the foot.
Yo,
Seriously.
Nintendo, what's going
That's just
on?
what kills me is all that shit from Majors.
Yeah.
Well, about the demo, you gonna play the demo? That's what I'm talking about. No, I'm gonna come over after the demo. And Dave's like, you know what? I'm not even gonna
Gee,
try.
it's
just
almost
for an
like
hour.
opening service for a single hour and
Is he
having
coming over? Is he on his way over
everyone
here now?
No, I didn't say anything.
Well, it worked fine the other 3 times.
Because I texted him, I was like, yeah, I didn't intend to play the demo today. I just told him I pre-purchased the game. You know, we'll get to play it next Friday. So next Friday, what do we have scheduled? Not just our regular, just that Symphony of the Night /
Next Saturday?
Sorry, next Friday. Next Friday is.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording. The Symphony of the Night / whatever I'm playing stream, because we can definitely preempt that to play some Splatoon. That's what I'm saying.
If you'd be able to, if the servers don't die.
Shit. If we don't, we got
I wonder
backup
if
plan.
Nintendo's the Illuminati.
No,
I wonder if Nintendo's Illuminati.
Next Friday, yeah. Next Friday, the 29th, we have Splatoon.
We have Splatoon, yeah.
Yeah, but are your servers going to be able to handle it?
That's a good
It
question.
better fucking be a day
I'm just
one of
saying.
release.
Oh my God,
I'm just
There's gonna be some furious fucking
upset
people.
motherfuckers.
So there are many factors that could be causing the server to crash. For
I think
instance,
it
there could
might
far
be-
more people trying to play.
It could
this
be
game.
Lizard Squad, y'all. These guys don't stop.
They're too busy. Like one of them is being like
somebody's
arrested
like,
for.
somebody's like, guys, they're just trying to get their squid jump more popular, duh.
Oh my God.
And all they eat are Taco Bell breakfast.
They shitted. Like I saw an interview with one of the guys I watch on YouTube, Review Tech USA, and they targeted him because he was speaking out vocally about them. They made him stop talking about them, basically, because he and a representative from Lizard Squad were on some internet talk show, and they had a debate, and it's like, you will never catch us, you will never stop us, we will ruin your life. They made death threats to him when he was going to make a public appearance at a convention, and the convention itself said, we can't take the risk in you going because they threatened to snipe you at the convention. Other people could get hurt, and we don't want you to get killed. So it's like, we're going to decline your invitation. So he ended up getting the fuck out of that, and it's like, damn.
They're terrorists.
They are. They kind of are,
They're
man.
the Illuminati.
And the fact that the NSA knows what fetishes I'm into and what I watched yesterday and all this other shit, and yet they can't catch these cats. And maybe because they know exactly how they're being observed, so they avoid all the pitfalls that we all volunteer our way into. So maybe they're smart on that fact, but it's a shame when the government collects all this information on everybody, yet the real criminals can't be found, can't be prosecuted, can't anything happen to them. So.
Was it?
What's that? Oh, we're just talking about Lizard Squad.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, those guys.
Do Lizard Squad do swatting? Too?
Oh, I don't know if they do swatting. I wouldn't go out and say that, but I will say this.
Well, the thing is, they caught one of them.
Yeah, but he won't give up the rest of those guys. Well, maybe he will, because maybe it's just some cat that doesn't want to do 60 years in jail. But there was word about a dude who got on a plane just the other day.
He hacked it.
He hacked a fucking plane, and his excuse was
he's been doing it. All the planes show them like in the last the Die Hard before the last one where the dude he wanted to prove this could actually happen.
Yeah,
we need to step up.
He caused the plane to ascend. And then he tweeted about it on Twitter, and that's how they got his ass. And it's
he wasn't trying to hide from it. He wanted it to be known.
Maybe so, but he risked going to jail and all that shit.
He risked all that, but I understand the point he did it for. I mean, we have this is actually a possibility. We need to check it before it happens.
Absolutely, dude, because some guy could get on that plane and hack into the fucking navigation system.
I guess he spent a few years in jail for being a patriot.
I guess maybe pulling
or he can get
He's
on
just
the
trying
plane.
to prove a point, though.
He can get on the plane. He can hack it and then get off and control it.
Edward Snowden, I guess.
Yeah. He can hack the plane, get off, and then after he gets off, he can still control it from on the ground and use it like it's an idle weapon or something.
I don't even know why the plane's navigation systems are tied into the rest of the fucking plane. There should be a physical firewall that would stop that from happening.
There's a lot of things that should make sense that doesn't make sense.
That scares the shit out of me, because you get a guy who just doesn't care, who wants to crash the plane. That's it. He hacks it.
I don't like
they won't even know what's happening until it's too late.
That's why I'd rather drive.
Oh God. Hey, well, you got no choice. Either that or take a boat.
Take a boat. I'd rather take a boat. If I could steer my own boat.
If I could fly a plane, I'd fly my own plane.
Oh wow.
I figured the rest of my family wouldn't be on the plane with me because no one would want to fly with me.
Let me look up Lizard Squad.
If I'm flying the plane, no one would want to fly with me.
They're the hacker group, right?
Yeah,
I'm right, Adam. If I was flying the plane, no one would want to fly with me.
Somebody
be like
took a picture
Disney.
of their.
Not allow Harrison Ford to ever fly a plane again
while
he's filming.
He crashed the melon truck and fell on him. Then
Oh, that's.
What is that?
It's like it's a Snuffleupagus humping the.
Are we getting an extension for Splatoon Testfire? Hang on, let me pull up the aux screen. Pull these tweets.
Oh my god.
Pull this up and then drop this out. Let's see here. This is ridiculous. Wow. Get inked. Nintendo America, you're doing a horrible job of convincing people to buy this game. That's less than a week away. I think they'll probably come up with a makeup session, but they're not going to extend. They're not going to extend this session. Matter of fact, this might be over.
You think so?
7?
It might be, no, I mean they might have cut. If they cut the stream off, apparently there's people in the stream. Like let's see how many people were here. They were streaming. I don't know if they made a statement.
Lot of people in there.
Let's go back to Nintendo of America's Twitter and see what they had to say.
Probably still nothing.
They said 6. Isn't 6 more days?
Or 666.
Yes, exactly.
Doesn't bode.
That's
does not bode well for.
Exactly.
Yeah, John. No, you're right about this one. And I'm pretty sure Nintendo is easy to hack into too. Their servers are probably the easiest to take down if they wanted to, but. It could be. It may not be who I think it is.
Reached its connection limit, so they didn't turn them off yet.
Well, they might have had to diminish their connection limit because of problems. At least let you go into the tutorial. At least.
I know, right?
Yeah, just let it's like go into the tutorial.
Why do you have
and
to be on the internet just to go to tutorial?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's like play that shit and allow you to do something. I'm sorry that I had to skip that because I thought we were back in business.
Where'd he go?
I don't know, man. Fucking the Splatoon servers. Yo, what the fuck? Oh,
so like,
man. It feels like the bugs all over me. Bugs.
That's awesome.
That's from fucking. I think it's from
Ant-Man?
Constantine. That's from Constantine. Yeah.
Any word on whether or not that's coming back, or is that going to CW, or it's going to Sci-Fi? Or whatever?
All I know is that
everyone
Arrow
wants
producers are trying to get Constantine on Arrow next season sometime. Nothing's been confirmed, but that's the talk. So
CW said it's just a rumor.
yeah.
But the actors are like, dude, let's do it. Even Wolverine says he wants to be in Constantine. I mean, shit.
What?
I'm just kidding. That's a whole
No,
exaggeration.
shit. I'm about to say, yo, Jackman? Yo, Jackman.
The heck?
You
Who
got
is
what's
this power?
What the fuck?
Who did that?
Yo, that man is African as fuck.
That's a grown man. That's a grown man, not even a kid.
Awesome.
I don't even know. God damn, that. His teeth, boy. Yo, man, I hope he grew into them teeth.
No, that's not a kid. That was a grown man.
I don't know about that. You think that's a dwarf or something?
No, that just put the head on the body.
You think it's like some Photoshop?
Yeah, you can tell.
That's
it's
all
Photoshop.
Photoshop. The girl in the middle's a meme.
Oh, wow, really? I didn't even know.
Look at the kid, the white kid at the end.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's all
Yeah,
Photoshop.
that's kind of, wow, that's
Photoshop.
funny. I thought it was like some kids playing dress up, man. I'm sorry. I thought that was what it was, man. My eyes.
So Ricky's crashing. Thanks, Obama.
I wear glasses for a reason, bro. Oh my god. Told y'all Splatoon was shit. Yo, let's go back. Let's refresh. Yo, it's gotta be news.
100 new results. Holy crap.
Oh yeah, if it ain't trending, it will. Splatoon Global Testfire. There you
Wow.
go. Good, more like Splatoon
It's
Global
trending.
Misfire.
It's trending. Yeah.
Let's check this. Let's hit these
Eurovision
tweets in here.
2015 is first, and then Splatoon was like fourth place, or
Nintendo hires Bowser as the new VP of sales. I heard about that. Somebody, this Testfire doesn't work. Coincidence? I think not. Nintendo life, huh? Well, there's no life to these servers right now.
yeah.
They're
For a
killing
while, I
me.
was getting that new message about reach the maximum limit. Now I'm just getting can't connect or whatever.
Such sad message to receive. Really? Possible over and over again. Yo, what? They burning. Oh no.
What was that?
That's awesome.
So this is a solid hour of Squid Jump. Yo, I'm gonna be fucking good at this
Wait, what
game.
is that?
I can't even get into Squid Jump.
I know that sucks. Yo,
SpongeBob. Oh.
people who are in charge of the servers are probably like with a bucket. Oh my gosh. Searching for a battle to join. Now it's stuck. Oh shit. Oh, this guy.
Man, maybe I should hold off from getting this game day one.
I already pre-ordered it, so I'm stuck. I mean, I have to hold on. I'm playing it day one if the server's gonna be like this. Day one. Well, we're gonna be playing that at night. Maybe a lot of people will fade off. But then again, it's Friday night, so maybe
Friday
they won't.
night. That's the time of it.
Oh,
Man.
Jesus. Here comes a new motherfucker.
Oh wow.
Yo, Anime Anderson out of this video. He said, yo, LOL, why does Nintendo even try anymore? Hey man, they're trying.
Yeah,
they're
why are they?
struggling.
They're not trying.
They're
They're
struggling.
they're making poor decisions on things.
I definitely won't
It's
play
like-
devil's advocate with that company at all.
It's like they make.
I can't even muster the energy.
I mean, I love Nintendo, but they
Can't
just
even do it. Let's check the news.
they're suffering as it is, and they're just digging themselves deeper with
Nintendo?
stuff. Yes.
They're struggling. I mean,
they are struggling.
they take 2 steps forward, 1 step back.
Yeah.
That's what they do. That's what they do.
Listen,
2 steps forward, 1
that's the new
step back.
systems going
That's
to. Somehow Mario's gonna take back the throne.
nothing at Kotaku.
Uh,
The Witcher benchmark, nah. Oh yeah, Persona 4 dancing on.
The fuck is that?
no.
It's that new dancing.
Wait,
Persona
what does that
4.
look like? A dude?
Is that
Oh, that's a
Persona?
dude. That's fucking. That's the wrestler guy.
What rest of the
He's
dude?
cross-dresser. He's actually ambiguous. His sex is ambiguous, and sexuality is ambiguous in the game.
Sexuality?
Yeah, it's like this burly guy, but he really
Yeah.
R.I.P. business. His name's
It's a depressing.
Kanji, I believe. He's actually a cool character in the game, but
There's the actress.
switch this back on.
Oh.
So this recording is a bust.
So they're not gonna. It's not gonna let you download it.
No, it's downloaded. It's a demo.
It's just trying to connect. Because in order to play, you have to connect to the internet.
Yeah.
Unfortunately,
Who
which
knows?
really
You can't
sucks.
connect.
Well, you have to connect to their servers.
Oh, their servers.
Yeah, it's a bit of a.
So the servers are down for you.
See, that's one thing I hate about like games that like you have to be connected to the internet to play. It's like you can't play like offline. Like suppose you want to like not be on the internet when you play. You know, so play.
This guy's playing devil's advocate. He says, by the way, keep in mind that the other Testfires ran smooth as butter. They did. I'll give them credit on that. I only played the one. Show played the second one.
What did
they
they do
played the third
differently?
one.
What do they do differently?
I think they might be getting. If nothing's different, then there might be some outside influence. I mean, maybe retroactively.
Forgot to press the switch.
Maybe they don't have people on deck to actually do this because it's the weekend. But I would imagine they have staff on deck.
Yeah.
But and on top of that, the servers are if they're in Japan, then they should have people on deck because it's not Memorial Day weekend for them. But who knows, man? Let's check the tweets again. Go back up.
1,000 more tweets.
I need to go live. There we go.
Would you like to try to keep doing this?
Nope.
I got you.
If Majors if Majors is not showing up, I guess you could probably eat his burger.
He should be coming. He said he was on his way. He's going to be heading out here. It's already.
Eat his burger. Eat it. I'll eat his other fried chicken.
It's pretty much sums up the last half hour of Splatoon Global Testfire for me. Who was that, guys? It was 23 seconds ago. Oh.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
that's unfortunate. We at least got one game.
Oh wait, because the partner what? That's because partner. Oh, I didn't get to see that message before.
The one match I recorded, there was no sound.
You didn't want to eat your teriyaki chicken. Shit, I'll eat it.
Me?
Yeah.
No, I told you all I wanted was burgers.
The burger.
That's true.
I don't even know what that is about. Holy shit. Who the fuck is that? Oh my god. Well, Crystal, I'm sorry.
This is like being in an MMO like all over again, waiting to get on the server but it's too full. Then you gotta keep trying.
No man, come on, Nintendo.
The old days of full servers.
I'm gonna put that Lizard Squad real quick. Lizard Squad. LIZARD-SQUAD. Not that I'm blaming them. Chances are they don't even give a fuck about this. They don't give a fuck about this shit.
I mean, well, okay, so like, but Lizard Squad, okay, they're a hacking group.
I heard Nintendo servers are down. Period. Every game. Oh wow, Lizard Squad did Nintendo. Wow.
Why?
They're doing a great job taking out the connections. Lizard Squad strikes again. Eurovision. What if Lizard Squad is messing with Splatoon? Some group like Lizard Squad isn't responsible. Like I said, I'm not blaming them unless they take the responsibility. This game is actually fucking garbage.
Because I mean, usually a hacking group, like, I would say like the code of ethics, but usually there's a reason why they hack. Like, they don't just hack just because they can. It's like, I mean, I guess the more reputable hackers, I mean, I would think as big as Lizard Squad is, they're kind of reputable, so like, why would are they trying to prove a point to like, hey, look.
Well, the whole point they've been saying is that these networks are really unprotected.
Oh.
And that after Sony got fucked up a few years ago at PSN, they put a Band-Aid on it when they should have like overhauled it. Yeah. I don't know exactly what kind of gargantuan task it would take, but there's still no excuse. Yeah. When they set up the network for PS4, they should have put the money into making those servers rock solid. Yeah. So the fact that their servers are completely open to be DDoSed or whatever the heck they're doing is a problem. And overall, they need to fix that shit with the quickness.
So you're gonna get those sausages.
I thought so too, but certain people did not pick them up.
Someone
like
just said Lizard Squad.
They picked up some hot dogs. They don't taste as good
as
some
hot dogs. The League of Legends too? They hacked League of Legends servers?
They had an event called Eurovision, whatever that is.
Yeah, what the heck is that?
I have no idea. Remember the headphones? Forgot the violin.
There's Combo Breaker.
Combo Breaker. Well, I'm recording right now as soon as the sound's up. Because I am, bro.
Why are you recording this tragedy?
Hey man, because we need the records.
We need proof that
Well, it's clear that we're not gonna get into the game I'm sorry.
Is it 6 o'clock?
It's 7, but
7.
I'm just gonna stop the recording. If we manage to get back in, then I will pick up the recording. I'd like to be wrong. We're gonna keep trying, but I'm gonna go ahead and stop the recording for now.
You'll know when they close the server.
Oh yeah, it'll tell you otherwise.
It'll say the server's not closed. Okay.
In the meantime, guys, thanks for watching this disappointment, and we'll see you guys next time, or maybe there'll be a surprise. We'll see. Until then, peace.